the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficial. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Zohra. You are watching CID News Network in English. First, headlines. 5 officials of the Capitol Police Counter-Terrorism Department were arrested and a case registered against them on charges of killing a 21-year-old man in the early hours of Saturday morning. An Indian spy quadcopter was downed along the line of control in Azad, Jammu and Kashmir on Saturday evening. While Sindh Health Minister Dr. Ashraf Fazal Pichu, who had stated that the federal government would supply 25,000 COVID-19 vaccine doses to the province by mid-January. Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Health Dr. Faisal Sultan seems to be reluctant to confirm the date. India's drug regulator on Sunday gave final approval for the emergency use of 2 coronavirus vaccines, one developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University, and the other by local company Bharat Biotech. As many as 2 lakh computerized national identity cards fraudulently obtained by Afghan nationals have been cancelled, Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid Ahmed said on Saturday. As the opposition continues to protest over the arrest of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz leader Khwaja Muhammad Asif, the government on Saturday explained that he had been arrested after his failure to cooperate with officials concerned in valid investigations. At least 11 coal mines were killed in the Mag area of Balochistan on Sunday after armed militants kidnapped them and took them to a nearby area before opening fire at closure. Take care of yourself and others. Keep watching CID News Network. Islamabad. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.